You know, my training of you spectacular. Because you can see they both tried monitors, right? And their gameplay did not exponentially increase.
Sean hasn't tried a monitor yet.
Sean, you haven't tried a monitor?
Then again, this dude can't get on to save his life, so.
That's true, he hasn't been on in over a week. Do you remember how meek and timid he used to play? I'm gonna get him all. I'm a great trainer. I'm a great Phil Jackson.
GT4, nice white one. Black Alcantara carbon fiber, red stitching, red seat belt. Can't go wrong with this color combo. Really nice. Dustin, how's it feel?
I don't feel nothing.
So tint is done on this white GT4. We're now getting ready to do the Clearbra on this. So full front end doesn't get protected. Brand new car, brand new paint. Want to make sure it looks this way, it stays this way. This is my favorite Porsche yet. GT4 is ready to go back home now that we've tinted and Clearbra it. Stylex 33 on the sides and the back to help keep that small cabin from getting too hot and stuffy. And the whole front end is also wrapped in our Clearbra, so this brand new paint can be preserved for years to come. Especially since this is a track car, it'll help with any track debris like hot melting rubber, rock chips, and any bugs killed by your high speed. I don't know why I said it like that, but it looks good and the client's gonna be happy with it. Tesla Model 3 is in. Oh, what's this? Does it have a mirror? We have taken it off. That's because we are doing a chrome delete. We're also gonna be tinting it and doing some other things as well, but the chrome delete is happening first. We're going satin black on everything. It's gonna look nice and sporty. I love seeing modded Teslas, and it makes me proud to know that we put out the most in Houston. Here's another white one that we just got done with. Satin black chrome delete on all the chrome trims. As you can see, we did keep the T logos as is, just for a little accent piece. Photo sync window tint, of course, nothing but the best for Teslas. So this is going to really help with the heat rejection. It also helps with your range. So it really pays to make sure you get the tint that's right for you, so you can keep your interior as comfortable as possible.
Can I slap you with some more, baby?
If I can keep them.
You gonna dance for me?
If I can keep it.
I'll do more.
What are we talking about here? Turtle, his name's Uboy.
What's the
like $2,500?
Excuse me?
Pink nose fly river turtle from New Guinea.
And you just like bought him to keep him in a little like plastic box.
He'll grow.
What's his name?
Uboy.
Well, he's not gonna grow if he's living in this small environment.
Where is he?
No, this is messed up. Would you grow if you just lived in the trunk of a car? Hey Ted, where do you get your cheap headlights from? Because one of my headlight bulbs just went out. Can I just yank out at this point? Or is this holding oh no.
So Kevin, what's it like having Ted here?
Entertaining.
Really?
He doesn't feel alone.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Jimmy doesn't stand around him.
Well, does Paul stand around you?
Paul stands around me sometimes.
Yeah, no.
Where's Paul?
You not here? No, you guys don't even go say hi to him. First thing y'all do is walk over here. Y'all don't even go to the front office or anything to say hi to nobody.
I'll live with my man. I don't pay.
Ted, why are you doing it here, not at our shop?
Because it's gonna take a couple days, and we don't have enough lifts to tie up for 2-3 days.
Hey, that shop
Jimmy
on
has
Bellaire
enough for sale again.
We are at our friend's CMS right now. Ted is installing a bunch of stuff to his RX-7, so yeah, that's why we're here. Vorsteiner wing on this R8 looks pretty slag. What do you mean? It looks good for the car. It fits it.
But I've never seen one in person. You said you needed a 10-second car.
No.
Did Jimmy really take the A-Leap clothing street sign and the K sign? Why would he take those? So, how's it coming along? Day 2, you're still here?
The coilover's in, done.
Oh, you have it in.
We took out the differential, which is down there. And we're changing out the differential mounts. These right here, see once I clean it, you see how it's green? This is Project Mule stainless steel braided. brake lines. Normally from the factory, these are rubber. Whoever
Steel.
had this before actually did some nice upgrades, and I couldn't tell because it was all black. Are you recording it?
Unfortunately.
Huh?
Look what we got back in, guys. You might remember this Model X. So if you're an OG of the vlogs, you may remember this Model X. We had this back last Halloween time. Oh wow, that was a while ago. This was a project chrome delete. The whole car was wrapped satin guard, as you can see. Voice Turner VFF 109 wheels, 22 is carbon graphite. This was a project that we did for Christina Brawley. I'll link her YouTube channel in the description in case you guys want to check her out. Back in today, because we're gonna be doing another project on this. We're gonna be wrapping the entire thing.
Wrapping.
Entirely different color. We're also gonna be changing out the wheels. It's time for something new. Show them the color, Sean.
Psychedelic?
This is psychedelic.
There it is. There it is. There
Yeah.
it is. There it is.
So we're wrapping the entire car with this. It's like a
It's just
gray.
gray.
It looks gray, but then when the light hits it, boom.
Boom! 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 Very nice. Very nice. Off the chain, bro. You know, like off the chain and breaks the chain. No? Okay.
So it's time for us to disassemble the badges and all the little pieces again and get to it.
To do the wing in black. I kind of want it to look like it panels like into the window area.
You sound sad.
Sounds very sad.
Why are you so sad?
Because
Too bad we can't all just be working on E92 M3s every day.
that's the dream, isn't it? Team Shermer. Team Shermer's. Have you seen Team Shermer? Team Shermer. Dude, they make the fastest BMWs. Dude, Team Shermer's. Shermer, you know Team Shermer? Future boy, how do you put these seats down? you know in the Fords, how they have the button on the side? This one doesn't have it, bro.
It's right here.
In the seat, future motherfuckers, bro. Looks beautiful, bro.
Let's come along, guys.
Fully glass.
What that means basically is the wrap is laying on the body lines just perfectly right. Can I touch this?
No, fuck no.
Can I flick it?
You're gonna close the pocket.
You can close the pocket and close the paint. But I think it needs to be.
Why are you touching it?
What the f are these?
What the f? Those?
Are these pecans?
Those are cons with frosted cream.
Wow, double dark chocolate latte. Santa Cruz oatmeal raisin. This is not a workbench. This is a lunch bench.
Stay fueled, or how are you gonna finish up this car if you don't stay fueled?
It looks disgusting.
Looks scary, right?
This is what crunch time looks like for Sean.
Holy sh! How am I gonna do this? Right, alright.
Outside in the AMG.
Oh, in the wild.
This has to be our most radical Tesla project we have done thus far. Satin Psychedelic is what we're looking at here. It's really cool. As you can see, under the shade in a gloomy day, it looks like this nice clean satin gray, which is really cool, right? It's really subtle, it looks great, but in direct sunlight, oh my goodness. I'm trying to show you guys here with the flashlight. You can see this rainbow effect that just takes over the entire surface. It's really freaking nice. What I really like about this is the fact that it's not over the top all the time. It's only crazy crazy bright and rainbowy when it's a bright sunny day, but otherwise gloomy days, rainy days, it looks really subtle, which is great because some days you just may want to have a more subtle incognito car, and some days you want it to shine bright like a rainbow. We took apart the trims, the badges, things like that to get a nice clean wraparound like usual. We also changed out the wheels. Previous 4-star wheels were carbon graphite, which is a great color, but it would have been way too much gray. So going from that to a satin black on the Brixton RF10 wheels, great choice because now it works with the trim a little bit better, and it just has a nice contrast from the gray, but it still kind of keeps that sporty theme. Here are some pictures of what it looks like in direct sunlight so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's nuts in a good way. It's just so much fun to look at. It has such a cool vibe to it, and I mean, you just can't help but smile when you see it.
I don't know what the word is. It's not like stealth in the way that we think of stealth, but it's like
Stealth bling.
psychedelic. It's like, BAM! Falcor, brand new, complete new change of clothes and shoes.
How do we do?
11 out of 10. 12 out of 10. So it was amazingly done last year, but it's like on steroids now, how good it looks.
Like it's so more subtle. You know what I mean?
That looks good from this angle.
Looks sick, dude. Look on the road. Look at the presents. Look at the presents on the road. It's just
Because it's a unique color.
BAM!
Oh, that looks fun. Look how sporty it looks.
That looks cool.
she drives fast. That's why she wanted her car back. She drives fast.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. I will see you next time.
So Sean was saying for vinyl to conform, it's called glassing. Why don't they just call it shaping? See, that's called glassing.
Haywood, is that correct?
I don't relate to that.
Because you're not in the rap dojo.
I'm not in the rap dojo. Rap dojo, lesson number 6. I mean, how many different terms is there in vinyl wrapping?
Just glassing.
Okay, what are you doing right now with your finger? Glassing. You don't call it the fingering?
No, Ted. We don't call it that.
The middle fingering? Why your middle finger? Why not your pointer finger?
Because the middle finger have the most power.
Oh.
I thought you
Don't thumb your vinyl. Middle finger it.